Don't use that phone. It's broken.
Copyright.
Don't use that phone. It's broken. Use another phone. Okay?
Papa has no more storage. That's okay. Look.
Hey, Papa, can you use another phone?
That's okay. Papa knows what he's doing.
The camera is not broken, just the screen. Hey, Alel, come here. It's busy. Alel,
Alel! Alel! Alel!
tawagan mo siya dyan sa'yo.
Hello, come on, come.
Dapat hindi ka natutulog na maaga, matulog ka dun sa schedule mo. Pwede, wala. Huwag ka naman.
Lalabas nga ako.
Hindi naman, okay naman. Lumabas.
Eh kasi late kayong... There. The other side. This? Right, yeah, right. Here. My right doesn't... It's not that this one. This one is slide it here. Here. Here, on this another thing. Middle ba? Here, there. Repeat.
Hindi pa niya yan abutan.
There, like that. This one. Yeah, you just practice it, especially when it's wet. It's easy to do it. When it's wet, when you're what do you call that? When you're taking a bath or you wash your hands, you do it while it's wet. Yeah. Oh, I heard it stop. Do it like this one.
Yung isa dito busy. Kala mo naman, ano eh. Seryoso talaga eh.
Sabit niyo yung leg niyo dyan.